Hello, and welcome to Katech. We are a premier performance engine company located in Metro Detroit. For the past 40 years, we've been developing some of the most powerful, most durable engines that have won at virtually every major race venue worldwide. Today, our vision is to use the experience, the knowledge base, and our attention to detail gained from our success on the track to serve three major customer groups. For our corporate clients, we provide a wide range of prototype and pre-production services. Our CNC lab includes lathes to handle any round work, mills with 5-axis capability for complex or prismatic parts. Whether you need 1 or 1,000 precision parts, we deliver. For the guys and gals who love to go fast, we take late model engines and we modify them with our own innovations, milled in our labs, built by our world-class engine builders, and tested in our dyno cells. We handle the entire experience from start to finish, so we control the quality. It's what's given Katech a reputation for extreme performance and exceptional durability. We can then install these engines into dozens of Katech vehicle packages in our on-site car shop. These packages include cooling systems, custom suspensions, brakes, wheels, aero packages, and much more. Finally, we proudly continue to build on our 40-year legacy in professional motorsports, providing engines and a variety of trackside services and support for professional and amateur racers alike. Katech serves these diverse markets through our exceptional, experienced employees who have earned the right to be called true technical experts. World-class, best of the best. Combine this with the know-how and our highly integrated operations, responsive customer service, and that's how we do things right. Our legacy has been racing and winning. Our future includes exciting innovations and corporate services. We look forward to telling you and showing you more. Please don't hesitate to reach out through our website or by calling us today.